Hey guys, I'm Shamae, and some of you guys might remember me from about 6 to 7 years ago when I used to make beauty videos on this YouTube channel. Recently, I remembered my login information for this account, so going on and reading all of your guys' comments made me really start to think that maybe I did want to come back and start making YouTube videos. A lot of you guys were commenting about how you guys missed my videos and asking when I was going to make videos again, and that was so many years ago and you guys are still commenting on my videos. It made me feel sort of loved. So I've decided to come back and make content that you guys want to see. If you guys have any questions or any ideas that you guys want me to do, you can leave them down below. I'm still gonna mainly be making beauty videos, but I am very into crafting and arts and things along those lines. So if you guys want to see any of those, I would love to make some of those videos for you guys. Really, any ideas you guys have, just throw them down there in the comments. So to anyone that's watching this video, if you're part of my old subscribers, thanks for coming back and sticking around. And if this is your first video that you're watching, why don't you go back and watch some of those cringy old videos that I had, because man, are they a gem. Well, I can't wait to see what this year brings for this channel, and hopefully it can evolve into something bigger than it was back then. So I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!